In this video, we're going to run through how to effectively manage your layers in Illustrator and then in Rasterlink 7, specifically your white layer and your color layer. This is more of a crash course on how to make sure you see white when you want it and omit it when you don't. This is the fastest way I've learned to use this technique, but that's the beauty of the Adobe Suite. There are several ways to do everything. In Illustrator, use the Direct Selection tool and click on any pure white layer. Then, go to the Select dropdown on the top toolbar and go down to Same, select Fill Color. And all things with a 0000 white value will be selected. RIP softwares still require color data in order to print white. Otherwise, it will omit white from the print. So, by changing the yellow value from 0 to 1, you've introduced color data. Enough to print the color, but not enough of a change in color not to be white. Alright, save that out, and it's time to move to Rasterlink. File, open your creation. I'm printing this on the back of acrylic, so I'm going to reverse the print so it displays correctly when finished. Without an opaque white back, the image will be transparent and not so cosmetically effective. So we're going to select our special plate tool on the right and select Valid Pixel so it only puts white behind the artwork that we can see. And because it is on the back of an acrylic piece, we're going to have that white layer print on the top, which serves as the artwork's backing. You can see that you can preview the art with the white layer composited to your color layer. Everything looks good, send to print. And as you can see, only the desired white printed for the logo, text, and backing on the image. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.